Hey, Ingrid here from Open Journey. I'm gonna do a quick process video using some of the word focus cards. I have them all mixed up. I'm gonna pull some out that kind of go with the Firestarter theme. And I would like to use fire. Fire is from Word Focus 2 set. And for the background, I'm not gonna get too messy here. I will just write some thoughts down, and the handwriting kind of makes a beautiful background. Writing when God writes on our hearts with love. I'm going to use a few of the die cuts from the Firestarter kit, and I was debating between using this heart on fire or the one with writing in it, so to say that God has written on our hearts. And I can add flames to this, so I'll just use a few of the elements. And next I would like to add some flames. I didn't necessarily like how the flame was above the flower. Could have been a little less intense. So I'll just blend it in. Sometimes things don't turn out exactly how you wanted, how you had in mind. So I like the transparency. It's a bit more realistic. Of course you can use the already given flames. I'll probably actually use this one right here. So add a little bit of color on the sides, just very lightly brushed on. I used the crackling campfire and the spiced marmalade, distress oxides. I'd like to add this journaling ticket, on which it's the spirit one. It's really blank on the surface, but I added one of the stickers that comes with the kit, and it kind of blends in. And I'm gonna attach it to the side here, but I would like to sew it. So if I do a zigzag sewing, I assume I will be able to just fold it over. So that one is on the back. So I'm gonna try it out, see how it turns out. So it worked pretty much as I thought it would. I just made sure to grab the edge of each paper, and then you can just you have the very nice sewn element on the side, and also we have the journaling ticket on the back. Because I'm focusing here, well, I'm using various verses, but the main element is fire. I'm looking at Jeremiah chapter 20 verse 9, and also I have this verse handwritten, and this is included in the digital Firestarter kit, and I would like to put this on the back. I'm just gonna make sure to cut that part off. And I can add my own journaling over here. Not just a few. This is the washi strip that comes with the add-on kit. I think I might be using one of these very beautiful elements. I love these tiles. So I'm thinking of adding one of these words. Those are again with the add-on kit for Firestarter. I added Burning Love. One thing I would like to add, using this cross from the Wings set. So this is it. Hope you enjoyed this very quick tutorial, very quick process video with one of the Word Focus cards. This is from set number 2, Fire. Thank you and God bless.